risk it all for you.
Living life every day, late at night, not a
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Talaga namang kinalibutan nga ang mga netizens sa bagong post nga ni Darren Espanto. Sabi pa nga ng iba, wow, talaga namang dumayo pa nga siya sa Sydney, Australia for this. Pero talaga namang nakakakilabot kahit nga ang kanyang mga co-artist ay talaga namang napawaw at nagulat sa kanyang ginawa. Ang kanyang caption ay, "Woke up at 5:30 AM to record this Risk It All from Sydney, Australia. One of my all-time favorite Bruno Mars songs, arranged by my musical director, Sir Sok Mina. I hope you all like it. Sana magustuhan nyo po, kinapalan ko na lang talaga ang mukha ko sa mga tumatakbo dyan." So si Darren Espanto mismo ay nahiya at kinalabutan nga rin sa kanyang ginawa dahil talagang kinalapalan na nga lang daw niya ang kanyang mukha. Pero talaga namang worth it nga ang kanyang Risk It All na ginawa. Talaga namang napakagaling at ang lahat nga ay napawaw. Sabi pa nga ni Ann Curtis, "We want more of this please." Sabi naman ni Darren, "Sige po, for you ate, ha ha ha." Galing naman may son, sabi naman ni Chang Ami. Pero ito daw pala ay request ni Jonah na ginawa kaagad ni Darren Espanto at sabi nga niya, "Ang bilis ng request mo, Te Jones." Pero ang pinaka nakakatuwang comment nga ay ang kay Alexa Ilacad. Sabi nga niya, nakapag-post pa talaga siya sa kalagitnaan ng kansang katutak na quick changes. Ang sagot naman ni Darren, yes, habang naghihintay sa closing prod. Talaga namang ang galing ni Darren Espanto. Halika at panoorin natin ang video clip na kanyang inihag.
To win your heart, you could set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't no mountain you could point to I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. I would swim across the sea just to show you. Sacrifice my life just to hold you. I could go on and on to prove that you belong here in my arms. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't no mountain you could point to I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!